Every great story begins quietly. This one began as a seed. I was small, so small no one noticed me. The soil covered me gently like a promise. Darkness surrounded me, but I was not afraid. I waited because growth does not rush. Water found me, slow and kind. It whispered life into me, drop by drop. Below the surface, I began to change. I reached downward first, searching for strength. Above me, the world remained unaware. One day, I felt the warmth of light, and I moved toward it carefully. This was my first breath breaking through the soil. I was fragile, but alive. The sun noticed me and stayed. Days passed quietly, and so did I. Rain returned, teaching me patience. Each drop helped me grow without asking. The wind tested me again and again. I bent, but I did not break. New leaves appeared, slowly unfolding. No applause, no audience, just time doing its work. Then one morning, I felt different. Something within me was ready. I opened myself to the light without fear. This was my bloom, earned through patience. I was never loud, but I was alive. Every seed has a story, even the smallest one. This was mine. What will yours become?